We've added a new option inside our face mill when using the technology of hatch, the option of rolling in, called roll in. What this actually does is allows the tool to actually roll into the actual tool path itself instead of going straight into the material itself. This is actually recommended by almost all of the tooling manufacturers. Let's take a look for a moment at the simulation, and you'll see the following. As the tool goes into the part, it actually rolls into the material. You can see that by the actual tool pass itself. And this is done on every single tool pass that uses the hatch. Rolls into the part until the very end.